The smoked taillight covers that we have here today will be an easy and affordable way to smoke the taillights on your 2015 and newer Challenger at home, as opposed to swapping to a completely brand new set. Now, this set of covers will feature a durable thermoform composite construction, along with that dark smoked appearance, all for right around the $100 price point. So the purpose of these covers is pretty simple, right? Deliver that dark smoked aggressive appearance through the smoke lens. Now, traditionally, you're gonna find a few different ways to go about doing this. In some cases, you can get away with using vinyl, but the shape of the newer Challenger taillights doesn't exactly make that an easy install. Now, you could also switch to a completely different set of aftermarket taillights, but they can get pretty expensive pretty quickly. Now, your final option would be to use something like this, and that is a smoked cover, which are gonna be pretty affordable compared to buying a completely brand new set of taillights. And on top of that, will be much easier to install and actually remove if needed. Now, the covers themselves have been made from a durable composite material that is both fade and crack resistant, and when installed, they're gonna flow really well with that gloss black deck lid panel, and the end result is gonna be very consistent across the entire rear of the car. Now, because these covers are lightly smoked, the tail light and turn signal, and obviously your brake lights, are gonna shine nice and bright still through the covers without any issue or worrying about visibility. Now, the best part is, guys, the covers are going to install easily thanks to the included 3M adhesive, which does allow you to remove the covers if needed in a pinch for cleaning purposes. Now, site's actually gonna call this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, which I feel is pretty accurate. About an hour or so to complete from start to finish, which I feel is being a bit generous. But regardless, here is an AM customer to walk you through the job now. Check it out.
Today I will be installing smoke tail light tint covers on my 2017 Dodge Challenger. Here you have the smoke tail light covers, 2 alcohol pads, and also a label. Before you start installation, the area you will be installing tail light covers need to be wiped down with the alcohol pads. Make sure there's no dirt or debris on it once you install the tail light tint covers. You'll be provided 2 alcohol pads so you can do each tail light. All right? Once you clean all the debris and dirt off the tail light, you begin to install the tail light tint cover. Pretty easy. You just go in at the bottom, line it up with your tail light, and snap the tail light tint covers in place. Press firmly to make sure it's secure. It will be 2 U-shaped rubber brackets on the top to make sure the tail light is in place. Once snapped in, you're good to go. And here we're gonna go ahead and install the driver's side tail light tint covers. Do the same exact thing. Line it up, going in from the bottom, pushing in at the top. Both tail light tint covers is installed and lined up. You're good to go. Now, I already previously installed the center blackout panel. So once you have it on, it will complete the look.
So if you are looking for an easy and affordable way to add that dark, aggressive, stealthy look to the taillights of your Challenger, well then check out the smoked covers right here at AmericanMuscle.com.